Dashing singer Himal Sagar. रमाइलो भइरहेछ। अब एकैछिन रोकिएर हामी फेरि स्पिचतर्फ जाँदैछौँ। म बोलाउन चाहन्छु प्रिमियर कलेजको सिइओ मिस्टर नवराज सुवेदी फर हिज स्पिच।
Thank you for this opportunity. Respected chairperson of this ceremony, Saraswati Bajimaya, Narendra Nahata, educationist and former minister, I think he must have gone. Distinguished guest, Dr. Ayuja from Max Hospital, S.K. Das, senior cardiologist, President of Nepal India Human Development and Friendship and leaders of Nepali Congress, Mr. Tirthanam Dongal, and other distinguished guests on the dais, press, people, and ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on behalf of Premier College and all the people of Nepal, I would like to extend warm greetings, progress, prosperity to the Indian people on the auspicious occasion of 63rd Republic Day of India. On this occasion, I also would like to congratulate Nepal-India Human Development and Friendship Association, Kathmandu Khotang Committee, Contact Committee for their grand success for the future ahead. The role of India has always played key role in bringing democracy and republic in Nepal and all around development of Nepal. Indian people, government and leaders are always in favor of our country, be it in terms of political, social, physical development. And human resource development of Nepal. But despite the contribution being made by Indian government leaders, some leaders and people are always biased against Indian government and the leaders. I regret to say this bitter truth in front of you all. Whatever we have achieved till now is because of the contribution made by India. Some of the Nepalese leaders and people always think that Indians always interfere in every aspect, but it's not so. They always give constructive suggestions. India is our best neighbor country, and the neighbor country can never betray neighbors. I beg pardon for such thing. So this is the outcome of poor and narrow mentality. We have to come out from such mentality, and why India is developed so much is because of their wide mentality and the attempt of visionary leaders. Now, on this occasion, I, on behalf of all the Nepalese people, beg pardon for such thinking towards India. I hope Nepal-India Human Development and Friendship Association will help to minimize such mentality and enhance goodwills, better friendships, and human, social, and physical development of both the countries. On this grand occasion, as I am CEO of Premier College, would like to take opportunity to assure the President of NISDFA and other dignitaries that in all the events organized by them, we will take part and join hands together in every activity, including educational activities for building goodwills and better friendships and human and social, physical development of both the nations. Lastly, I would like to thank all the delegates who came all the way from India for making this program a grand success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Subedi. I now call upon Mr. Dhundiraj Oja, Central Member of New Dafa, to speak on behalf of the association.
आज यस कार्यक्रमका संयोजक तथा अध्यक्षता ग्रहण गरिनुभएका सरस्वती बजेमज्यू, भारतबाट पाल्नुभएका प्रमुख अतिथि पूर्व मन्त्री नरेन्द्र नाहटाज्यू, भारतबाटै पाल्नुभएका म्याक्स हस्पिटलका डाक्टर साहबज्यू, उद्योगपतिज्यू र यहाँ पाल्नुभएका विभिन्न दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरू, आज हामी भारतको 63औं गणतन्त्र दिवसको उपलक्ष्यमा नेपाल भारत मानव विकास एवं मैत्री सङ्घ काठमाडौँ खोटाङ समितिको उद्घाटन कार्यक्रममा भाग लिइरहेका छौँ र आज तपाईहरूलाई म विशेष गरेर जो यो बन्दका बावजुद पनि टाढा टाढाबाट आएर यस काठमाडौँ खोटाङ सम्पर्क समितिको कार्यक्रममा सहभागी भइदिनु भयो, यसका लागि विशेष गरेर बाहिरबाट पाल्नुहुने अतिथिहरू साथै यहाँ सम्मेलन हुने दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई पनि म हार्दिक धन्यवाद दिन्छु। र आज भारतको ६३औं गणतन्त्र दिवसको उपलक्ष्यमा यो अत्यन्त सुखद कार्यक्रम हुन गइरहेको छ र नेपाल र भारतको सदियौँदेखिको मित्रता, हाम्रो धार्मिक, सांस्कृतिक, आर्थिक, राजनीतिक सम्बन्ध हाम्रो भारतसँग रहेको छ। यो सदियौँदेखिको ऐतिहासिक सम्बन्ध र आज ६३औं गणतन्त्र दिवसको उपलक्ष्य पनि भएको र यस उपलक्ष्यमा आज हामी खुसियाली साथ मनाइरहेका छौँ। हामी अत्यन्त यस कार्यक्रमलाई गौरव र गर्व गर्दछौँ। नेपाल र भारतको बिचमा पवित्र उद्देश्य लिएर यो संस्था गठन गराउने उहाँले उद्देश्य राखेर यही विचारधाराको आधारमा आज हाम्रो अध्यक्ष श्री सूर्य भुषालजी हामीलाई पथ प्रदर्शन गरिरहनु भएको छ। यो पनि अत्यन्त एउटा गौरवपूर्ण कुरा हो। म यति भन्दै आज यो उद्घाटन समारोह र यहाँ पाल्नुभएका सम्पूर्ण भारतबाट पाल्नुभएका अतिथि र साथै दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई धन्यवाद दिँदै मेरो आफ्नो छोटो बनाई मध्यमा यहीँ टुङ्ग्याउँछु। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Mr. Oja. Coming up is a dance form known as Chariya Nritya. It is a Sanskrit term meaning dance as a spiritual discipline. थ्याङ्क यू सङ्गीत शिला प्रतिष्ठान यो डान्सको लागि गरिदिनु भएकोमा हामी फेरि स्पिचतिरै लाग्दैछौँ अब I call upon Mr. Shashi Kesi, Secretary, Kathmandu Khotang Contact Committee, to give a vote of thanks.
Respected Chairperson of this program, Honorable Chief Guest, though he is not here, distinguished guests from different countries, especially from Nepal and India, representing different types of organizations. Me, Shashi Kesi, the General Secretary of New Dafa Khotang Kathmandu Contact Committee here is to provide my gratitudes from the organization's part and institutional part to all of you. Especially on this auspicious occasion of 63rd Republic Day of India, we feel great pleasure to get birth and to get inaugurated of this community in front of all you distinguished guests. That the relationship between India and Nepal has been long history, and the Nepalese leader as well as Indian leaders, they have played vital role for the both countries to establish the country for the republic to convert into republic conditions. So with a great tribute to them, what we think is that from the community side, our special gratitude goes to those leaders who have contributed to both of the countries to bring up to here. And from the community side, I want to provide special thanks to the chief guest who has come to Nepal on such difficult situation and highlighted the program and provided us such opportunity. So from the community side, we provide all those distinguished guests special thanks. And located at the same geographical condition and the location, having the shared culture, shared vision, as well as the shared contribution to each other, Nepal and India has come to such condition due to intercultural relationship, multicultural relationship, biodiversified conditions. These are also utilized for the proper development, educational establishment, as well as cultural and different parts of the developmental aspects. At the same time, being from Khotang, the contribution and contract is in between national level. But we Khotange people from the hill region also want to invite all those distinguished people as well as the contribution to Far District Khotang. And for this one, we should not forget our respected chairperson of New Dafa, Mr. Surya Bhusal sir, and the coordinator of this program, respected Ma'am Saraswati Bajimai, to whom we, from the committee side, we express our gratitudes. And at the same time, I'm here to express gratitudes and thanks to different organizations, individuals, as well as all the people who have come here in such difficult, not only difficult, torturous situation, they have come here to make our program successful. So at last, I want to provide my thanks from the committee side to the chief guest, distinguished guest, central committee member, as well as the central committee's chairperson, Mr. Surya Bhusal sir, the program coordinator, Saraswati Bajimai ma'am, as well as the representatives from the Max Hospitals, India, as well as Nepal India Maitri Hospital, Nepal, as well as the media partner who has supported us to telecast lively, that is ABC Television, and as well as Tip Top Foodland, and especially for those cultural shows which have provided us such a glorious situation and enjoyable moment, that is Premier College, all the representatives from Premier College, dancers from Premier College, Euro School, Cyprus Public High School, as well as at the same time, I have to provide my special and sincere thanks to Mr. Ramkrishna Dakal, Mr. Tilak Bammalla, Mr. Tulsi Parajuli, and Himal Sagar, who have come here and enjoyed us. And I have to provide all the thanks to all the volunteers from different colleges who have come here and volunteered us. And at the same time, I should not forget Sangit Sila Parsala, who have Pratistan, who have showed us different dance, which has the connection between Nepalese culture and Indian culture. At last, not the least, the TV sponsor Samsung Mobile, and all those delegates and the respected people, thank you very much from committee side. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Casey. म बोलाउन चाहन्छु Ms. Saraswati Bajimaya, Advisor and Program Coordinator, Khotang Kathmandu Contact Committee of New Dafa, for the closing remarks.
बताइदिउँ। आजको यस कार्यक्रमका प्रमुख अतिथिज्यू, मैक्स हस्पिटलका डाक्टर साहब, उद्योगपति, नेपाल भारत मानव विकास मैत्री सङ्घका अध्यक्ष सूर्य भुषालज्यू लगायत पदाधिकारी तथा सदस्यज्यूहरू, अतिथिगण, आजको यस कार्यक्रममा बन्दको बावजुद पनि उपस्थित हुनुभएका सम्पूर्ण दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरू, पत्रकार मित्र, सञ्चारकर्मी सबैमा म सर्वप्रथम मेरो तर्फबाट यहाँहरूमा अभिवादन टक्राउँदछु। नमस्कार। सर्वप्रथम भारतको ६३औं गणतन्त्रको दिवसको अवसरमा म यहाँ पाल्नुहुने अतिथिगण मार्फत र सञ्चार मार्फत भारतीय सरकार तथा भारतीय जनताप्रति शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। साथै यो खोटाङ काठमाडौँ खोटाङ सम्पर्क समिति नेपाल भारत मानव विकास मैत्री सङ्घको आज विधिवत रूपमा उद्घाटन भएको छ। यसका अध्यक्ष लगायत सदस्यहरूले यसको भावना अनुरूप उत्तरोत्तर प्रगतिको पनि शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। नेपाल र भारत बीच रहिरहेको परापूर्व कालदेखि रहेको यस प्रगाढ सम्बन्ध